Hi everyone. So there in this class I'm just going to teach you about the tables. Okay, so first of all just put the table here. I just put it, and then let's just create something which is necessary to create a table. The head and the body. You know about the head and the body, we've learned about it already. Well, I'm not actually talking about the HTML or the CSS. I'm just going to talk about the Bootstrap. So all these things are really simple for you because you've already knew about them. Well, this is a TR of T head. That means there should be the TH. So duplicate. I just duplicated 4 times, and there I'm just typing SNO means serial number, and then the student name. You can type anything, whatever you prefer, and then there total fees. Okay, and there duplicate that, and the paid fees, and there the balance fees. Okay, well, generally we just created the head of the table. So now I'm just putting the another TR, and you know that this TR is for putting the TD. Okay, so there in the first one I'm just typing 1, and there the name John Mark. I can type any name, whatever I prefer. So there the total fees I'm just typing 500 or the 1000. Okay, duplicate that, and there I'm just putting the paid fees as 700. So the balance fees is, I'm just typing 300 definitely. Well, now just copy this raw, and how to copy? Simply just select that data and then paste after this raw. Another time I just pasted this 2 times or 3 times actually, and then 2, and there it should be 3. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I got the result. Serial number, student name, total fees, paid fees, and balance fees, all the things are here. Okay, but if I just go there and just type the class, okay, and then I'm just typing table, just because of we just added the table class, it turns itself into the designed table because we has already applied the bootstrap. You can see that. So this has just happened because of the bootstrap. Well, if you just want some interesting style instead of this simple style, so simply copy this one, the whole table, because I just want to teach you some more interesting in the table with the bootstrap. So copy and paste this here, go to the top, and then this is the simple table class, n space, and type table stripped. Okay, table is stripped. Now refresh that. Now this is actually the stripped table looking same, but you can see that it has some strip lines. That is why it is a strip tables. Go down just after the line number 79. I'm just pasting again, and there is another table. I'm adding in space and typing table hover. Okay, hover is another interesting style of the table. Refresh. Now when I just hover the mouse, it's getting the effect, looking perfect. When I just hover the mouse, it's getting effect. Okay, now after the line number 116, I'm just pasting this again, and now there the table, adding in space, and again the table condense. Okay, so going to the browser and refreshing that. Now you can see that there is nothing new in this table, but just that you can see that it has no extra spaces from the top and the bottom. These tables, all of them, all of that tables are actually has some extra space from the bottom and the top, but this one has no extra space. Okay, it is just a condensed table. So again, after the line number 152, I'm just pasting a new table and refresh that. Now you can see that it is not a condensed table, and it is a condensed table. That's why you can see the difference between them. Well, I'm just going to the line number 154 table, adding in space and typing another table style. Well, I'm just typing stripped again. So why I'm just typing this stripped again, I'm just going to show you. Refresh. Now this one has the strip effect, but now I'm adding another space and typing table hover. We can do this as well. I'm just adding the hover. Now it has the stripped style, but when I just hover the mouse, it's getting the hover effect. So I hope you understood. We can apply multiple effects with the any of the table. Here I'm just adding the condensed, save, and then refresh. Now this is also the condensed table. It has actually three effects. The first one, the table, is for confirming that we are applying the table effect to this table, and then these are different styles. Well, there are some more things about the table you must know. So after the line number 189, 87 actually, I'm copying this one table and simply pasting again there and then saving. Well, for now I'm just removing all that styles, saving and going to the browser and refreshing. Now you can see that this one has no extra style. I'm going back to the notepad. Well, I'm just going to the TR. Okay, I can apply the new effect which I'm just teaching you with any TR. For example, I'm just applying the effect with this TR, adding any space and adding the class there. If you remember about the theme pattern of the Bootstrap, like success, info, danger, I'm just applying the danger here. Okay, for the first one, the zone mark, going to the browser and refreshing. Now the first one has the danger effect. I hope you understood this. I'm just simply copying this one and pasting this there. Okay, and there, instead of the danger, I'm just typing success, save and refresh. Now this one has the successful effect. Well, for now you've understood that the table has no style, so we applied the general themes of the Bootstrap, but there I'm just going to the table who already has some styles. Okay, I'm just going to the table hover or the table stripped, and for the first one here I'm just adding the class of danger. Okay, now refresh. Now you can see that this has also applied the style. That means we can apply these styles anywhere, wherever we want. Well, this is not necessary to put the style on the TR. We can apply the styles on the TDs. So I'm just going to the head area. Okay, and refresh. Now you can see that this one has the specific style. Why not I just put the info instead of the success? Refresh. Now this is a success style, but two more styles left, so I'm just going to teach you about them. Here I'm just applying the next one. I'm just typing here warning. Okay, the warning style. Refresh. Now this one has a warning style, which is really cool if you just want to create the tables. Well, the last one is the, I'm just going to the this one, class of active. Okay, this is another interesting style, the active. Refresh. Now you can see that this is the active class, and which is actually on the hover area, but the difference between this one and this one, it's a little dark. Okay, and this is a little light and this one is a little dark. So I hope you understood about the tables and their styles. We've learned some more things in the next class, but something more I just want to clear you that you can see that there is any specific space, and there is as well. If I just remove the here the table container, if I just put the fluid, okay, instead of simple container, now you can see that it has lost the extra space, and this is cool as well. Well guys, we'll learn a lot of things in next classes. Stay tuned and goodbye.